Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna Seca at the Ducati Revs event. And today, what a special treat for you guys today. We have the brand new 2021 Panigale V2 for you guys out on track today for our first ride. And when I say first ride, I truly mean first ride. I've just collected this today, and we've got it for a couple weeks, and we're going to be out on track for our very first ride. So let's see what I can do out on track. Alex with Ducati, thank you. The man right there. So Bogna has collected this actually from Alex today. And I've collected the V4S, which actually she is going to be taking out on her first ride in the C Group. But today is the day to test out the all-new 2021. Now, a lot of changes to this, and we're going to talk about what's going on with this. But today we're just going to kind of get we're not going to talk too much about specs. We're going to get on the road and talk about specs for this thing. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Of course, smash the like button. And of course, ring that bell notification, because that's going to give you notification of all of our street rides we're going to be doing. A little V2 versus V4. So Bogna described this thing as a 600 on steroids. So I am not typically a very big twin guy. So a little off so far, because I've been on V4s all day long. So of course we're getting a little higher speeds on the V4, a little bit quicker. So I can be in, I don't know, I'm kind of digging third. So I like the ergonomics of this. It actually feels really nice comparatively to the V4 Panigale. The V4 just seemed a little bit, it's pretty dang aggressive. This V2 seems like it's just a little more rider friendly. We getting a little more up to speed. So today we're at the California Ducati Rev event, and just the most epic day maybe I've ever had on track. I got to do a session with the world champion, Tony Elias. Did you know that Kyle Ryman rides a Street Fighter? If not, I'm going to link it up above. Kyle Wyman stole my V4S Street Fighter. So let me get a little bit more in the revs on this thing. Probably brake a little bit later there. So I'm going to stay up in the higher revs because I'm shifting like I'm on a V4. This feels really good. I think I prefer this over the V4 Panigale. Personally, this thing feels really good. Ducati, you guys have done an amazing job. So tons of changes. Better electronics, better braking, better suspension, single-sided swing arm. I think they changed a little bit with tuning on the motor. And I think they got just a little bit I think they played with the frame just a teeny bit. This thing's a blast. Ooh, boy. So, I will tell you, on track, if you guys have never... Oh, wait, who's this? One of the instructors. Two of the instructors showing us what's up. If you guys have never bought or never owned a street bike, and you guys are looking to get a street bike for the track, and you guys are considering a V2 versus a V4, and you guys aren't experienced, get the V2. Hands down, get the V2. Let's see if I can... Well, look what we have here. Mr. Eric Wood with Penguin Racing. I would love, I'm going to talk to him because I would love to get over on the East Coast and work with him. His school is pretty damn amazing, and I love how he does things. So if you guys are over on the East Coast, take a look at Penguin Racing School, because he's got some pretty amazing stuff going on. Yeah, this feels really good. Now, we're dealing with analog suspension. God, I would have loved this thing to have ended up with digital suspension. I think, oh my God, that would have just, again, I'm not a big twin guy. I've never really been a twin guy, but I'll tell you, after riding this thing, I'm kind of a little fan right now. I will take, personally, out of the 3 bikes of Ducati in the garage this week, I will take this bike, I'll take the Street Fighter over this bike. I'll take my Street Fighter all day long. But I will take this as a close second. And yeah, the V4, it's a different animal. But this thing feels really good. So between a V4 and a V2 out on track, I would take this thing, which is very contradictory of what I would have said a few years ago. I actually rode a 959 which is pretty close to this, and a V4S, 2018, I believe. Oh, and I just absolutely fell in love with the V4. Again, not really a twin guy, but this V2 has me sucked in just a teeny bit. Just a teeny bit. So I give you guys a bonus lap. Whoops. So, what happens when you don't pull the shifter up quite enough? Checker flag is out. Thanks for riding with me, guys. So my first ride on a V2 Panigale, and if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Of course, I need those likes, so smash the like button and ring the bell notification, because we got some stuff coming for this thing. But let's do a final note on this thing, because I am very, very, very impressed right now. Ducati, who have done a wonderful job, except this kickstand. Zero on the kickstand. The 2021 Panigale V2. Wow, you guys. All right, so here's kind of my final thought on this thing. Bogna had it right we're looking at a 600 on steroids, almost a 750. I would put this in a 750 class. And the electronics are absolutely amazing. The suspension is absolutely gorgeous. It just absolutely works perfect. The look of this thing just is amazing. Single-sided swing arm. Thank you, Ducati, for bringing this back. I don't know really what to say. This thing is really woken me up and really surprised me. If you guys are previous viewers of the channel, you know last time we had a pair of Ducatis. We had a Super Sport S and a Monster 1200. Now we're going home with a V2 and a V4. This is Bogna's bike, and it might end up being my bike because I'm almost speechless with how amazing this bike performs. Like I can't stress to you enough. If you can get your hands on this, and if you're on the fence about buying this bike, call your dealership today. I don't have any, I don't, whatever dealership you are, I don't have any affiliation with Ducati. You guys know, I'll tell you if I don't like something. If you are on the fence about this bike, buy this bike today. You will not regret it at all. But there it is. Thank you guys for sticking around. The next group is out. I believe Bogna's out in this group. I think she's out in the final C group on the V4. But thank you guys for sticking around. Do the normal. And we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Bye, guys.